Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I make a pre-order FIFA 22 Ultimate Edition from PlayStation Store right through my PS4 Pro. Let's get into it. First of all, I have to buy PSN gift cards from third-party websites like offgamer.com or any website which sell PSN gift cards. So go to offgamers.com first. And once you're on this page, go click on PSN. Here you can buy any region of PSN gift card. I'm gonna buy Singapore region gift cards. In the next page, you're gonna see the price of PSN gift cards related to your country region you selected. eSport FIFA 22 Ultimate Edition charged me 139 Singapore dollar. So I need to buy 2 Singapore $50 PSN gift cards and 2 Singapore $20 PSN gift cards. So click on buy it, and then they're gonna ask you to check out and pay now with any kind of payment you want, like PayPal or Script. After you bought, they will email you PSN redeem codes you have bought. You can check them in your email box and come back to PlayStation Store on your PS4 Pro to redeem this code. First, sign in your PSN account on your PS4 and go to the store. And go down to the redeem codes and enter into it. Then you're gonna see the box to submit 12 DJ voucher codes which Offgamer have sent to your email. You have to submit 4 times because you bought 4 redeem voucher codes. 2 Singapore $50 PSN voucher codes and 2 Singapore $20 PSN voucher codes. I have already redeemed these voucher codes on my account. So you can see my wallet here is Singapore dollar $143.33. So now I'm going to the game session. Go down to comment zone and search for FIFA 22 to make pre-order. Now you can see here 4-day early access FIFA 22. Go enter into it. Once you enter it, you can watch FIFA 22 trailer, and if you move your arrow to the right, you will see there are only 2 versions of FIFA 22 edition, Standard and Ultimate Edition. Every year eSport offer you 3 versions of FIFA game like Standard, Champion and Ultimate Edition to make pre-order. But this year Champion Edition has gone. Some people still asking, it's gonna be added in a couple of weeks. No, Champion Edition is gone and it's not gonna be coming back. I think eSport has done this to simplify. Now let's take a look at the difference between Standard and Ultimate Edition eSport are offering here. So Standard Edition is gonna be including 1 untradeable Team of the Week player Mappy loan item, Fed Ambassador loan player pick, career move, homegrown talent. That is for Standard Edition. That is. But for Ultimate Edition, you can have 4-day early access, 4,600 FIFA points and FUT once to watch item. That is a whole different compared to Standard Edition, right? That's why eSport have done a very good job of enforcing people to actually get the Ultimate Edition. So now I'm going to select Ultimate Edition and make pre-order for FIFA 22. If you have EA Play, you can get 10% off for this game. But I don't have EA Play, so I'm going to buy straight away. Then they're gonna ask you to proceed to checkout, and I can confirm pre-order. Now you can see pre-order contact here, FIFA 22 Ultimate Edition. I'm not gonna continue shopping and I'm going to view library to check my FIFA 22 games countdown. Once you're in the library, go down to the purchase section and you can search for FIFA 22 sort by alphabet. Here it is. Enter into it. At the final page, you will see the countdown timer and it says 4 days and 3 hours left to release the game. You can also check your expected auto download date, September 24, 2021. At that time, you can start download the game. Okay guys, I hope my video is useful for you. I know I'm not gonna get any likes for this video, but thanks for watching this video guys. See you.